CLB, Christian Lestat, you Sarah. For the people at home, well, we all know that you're Kaz.
Thank you very much, Christian, and thank you for all your support out there, my fans who believe that I will come out victorious between this little thing with me and Andy. We'll see what happens with that, but right now I am going to crack Randy's back. A lot of people don't believe I can pick him up off the ground, but looks like we'll find out right now.
Ooh. Do it again.
Okay,
one more. I want to get this from a far away so people see how the far you can pick them up. Holy shit! How much do you weigh, Fat Randy?
About 297.
Almost 300.
All right, sign this one off.
I weigh 170.
Sign this one off, you guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Randy. Hope you feel better.
Yep.
Had to crack his back for him. Peace out, everybody.
Kick it live with the CLB. Hey yo, that be the DJ rolling with me.